It was, of course, from Captain Tom when sadly he passed away, and his family said, we'd like you to do one thing 100 times and raise money for any charity. So the only thing I could really do was play the saxophone, so I thought, well, we'll do one song a day for 100 days. And I phoned Marie, who I've been working with charities for about 20 years now. Couldn't have done it without her, and I said, are you up for this? She said, yeah, and that's how it was born, so that's what we did.
We always do the Oakwood Ward because my daughter's 10, so she's been in there with her asthma. So it was a good opportunity for us to work together again and raise money for the Oakwood Ward.